Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a clan that you have joined on the Clash of Clans game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Clash of Clans game on your device, and once you have logged into your account, you will be taken into your home village. Now if you have already joined a clan and you wish to leave this clan, then simply tap on the message icon at the left side, which will open up the message board of the clan that you have joined. From here, just tap on the clan name at the top. Once you click on the clan name, you will now be taken into the clan detail page. From here, you will see the red leave button, which you can tap on, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to leave this clan. Tap on the OK button to confirm your decision, and now you will once again be taken into the Join a Clan menu. If you wish to now join another clan, you can tap on the Join Now button and search for this new clan that you want to join. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to leave a clan that you have joined on the Clash of Clans game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.